Want to learn how to do an M1R or make one right? My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and I'm going to show you today how to do an M1R. A lot of people get confused with M1R and M1L, a mnemonic device to help you remember. Right has 5 letters in it, so you're going to do the front, and then left has 4 letters in it, so you're going to do the back. And let me show you what that means. So you can see my swatch here, and I actually have made one stitch, right? This stitch right here. You can see I worked through the bar. Let me spread it out a little so you can see it. You can see that I made it with the bar below and picked up a stitch and did an M1R. So let me show you how to do that. So with my left needle, I'm going to pick up this bar below. And if I were to do a left leaning, so an M1L, I would knit through the back like that, because left back, but since I am doing M1R and I want it to slant to the right, I'm going to knit through the front. Right, front, because it has 5 letters. Okay, let's take a look at them. So you can see if you follow this column up, you can see it has a stitch. If you follow this column up, you can see it has a stitch. But this is the bar between these 2 stitches. So I made a stitch right here. Let's do it one last time together. Let me just knit one. All right, so now I'm going to pick up this bar, and then I'm going to knit through the front. And I just made one stitch. And that is how you do the Make One R. Wait, before you leave, I have this video right here that I think you'll really like, so you need to go check it out.